Hello guys, this is my first Android tutorial and I will show you how to run core Java on Android Studio. First of all, install Android Studio by following instruction given in the description of the video. After the installation is completed, open Android Studio and start a new project. Next, next, select empty activity, next and click finish. Now give it some time. Now Gradle build is running. Now go to file, click on new, go to new module. Select Java library, give library some name, libjava and finish. Now again wait for some time. Go to libjava, go to my class and declare a method main, which is a default method for doing anything in Java. If you don't know anything about the main method, don't worry right now, just type what I am typing. Now go to run, edit configuration, go to the plus sign, click application, give it some name, again I will give it Java. Now go for the location of the file, it is my class, click OK, select the class path of the module, it is libjava, apply and OK. Now any Java program will run in here.